What's going on, everybody? It's Rick from Garden with Barchuckin. Today is the 46th feeding. Got a little explorer there, and there, and there. So this should have the pumpkin stem. And nothing much really going on that right now. Should have some of the pulp, and it was the rest of that pumpkin. I see some of the pumpkin skin. There's some more pumpkin skin. There's some more. I don't even want to call it pumpkin skin. It's just the remnants of the skin. It's almost like a lamination. Okay, so this was the first feeding after I did the switch. Oh, there's a little baby worm, so I don't want to hurt him. So this was the inoculating tray. This was sitting below the feeding tray for a few weeks. Oh, there's another little worm. Okay. I really like seeing kind of what's going on. Everything looks great right now. No funky smells or anything like that. So that's always a good sign with the worm bin. So today's going to be a little crazier. I have some toilet rolls. We had company and all, so we made some extra toilet rolls. So I figured instead of shredding them up, I'll just stick them in whole, and then the next feeding we can see if anybody decides to crawl inside of it. To help get the juices flowing, I got a banana here. Which was froze. So there's banana ripped in half. And then making a little fruit salad here. These are some lemon pieces and lime pieces. And then we can see how the worms make out with that for the next feeding. I like to add the ground eggshell to the feeding area. That's a good grit for the worms. They end up using that when they eat it. They wiggle around, and that helps to break and digest the food, break up the food, and help them to digest the food. Cover that all up. Oop. And then to the top of the feeding area, I like to add a little bit of worm chow. Wow, or a lot of bit of worm chow. This goes ahead and gives the worms something that's available quicker than the food, especially with the citrus. It's going to take a little time for the microbes to start helping to break that down for the worms to actually want to eat it. So this gives them a little something to eat earlier in the week, and as those microbes continue to help break that the citrus down, then the worms can go after that. With it being kind of a pile, I will kind of mix it in just a little bit. So today was the 46th feeding. It's pretty cool. In about 6 weeks, it'll be one whole year for this bin that started with 350 red wigglers. Oh, forgot my pumpkin stem. So just jam that in. If you guys have any questions, don't forget to drop them down in the comments. Thanks for coming along, checking out the video. Everybody have a great day.